اور آج ہمارے ساتھ ڈاکٹر فاطمہ موجود ہیں جی. آپ دیکھ تو رہے ہوں گے کہ یہ ڈاکٹر کیسے ہیں اور فاطمہ کیسے ہیں, اور یہ تو چائنیز ہیں. وی لائک لسی, ادر تھنگز لائک
لسی, کباب, سموسا, چکن کلائی, مٹن کلائی, بریانی, ہینڈی,
ہانڈی, چکن ہانڈی,
چکن کورن سوپ,
سڑے مچھلی,
کینا, باسا.
Wow, you speak very good Pashto also. کریں گے تو ہم ڈاکٹر صاحبہ سے پہلے ان کا چائنیز نام پوچھتے ہیں. What is your Chinese name, please?
My Chinese name in Chinese pronunciation is Zhao Hongyan.
What is meant by Zhao Hongyan?
Okay, Zhao is my family name.
Oh.
My father, from my father.
Tribe.
Yeah, this is just like generations.
Yes.
Zhao is the family name. We put the family name in the front. And last name that was given name. Given name is Hongyan. That means is a white goose. White goose, just like swan.
Yes.
White goose can fly very high and fly very far.
Yes.
My parents just want to give me a good idea.
What do you want to say about Pak Chin Dosti?
Pak Chin Dosti?
Yes. Pak Chin friendship. Pak Chin friendship.
In Chinese we say 中巴友谊万岁. In English we say China-Pakistan friendship longer.
السلام علیکم ناظرین, میں ہوں نصیر احمد قریشی, آپ کا میزبان بحر ابلاغ کی طرف سے, اور آج ہمارے ساتھ ایک نئی مہمان آئی ہیں جی, ڈاکٹر فاطمہ. آپ دیکھ رہے ہوں گے کہ یہ تو چائنیز ہیں, ان کا نام ڈاکٹر فاطمہ کیسے پڑا. میں آپ کو بتاؤں کہ اللہ تعالیٰ جب کسی کو ہدایت دیتا ہے تو پھر وہ کہیں بھی کسی بھی جگہ دے دیتا ہے, اور ان کی کہانی سن کر تو ماشاءاللہ میرا دل بھی بہت خوش ہوا, اور تمام اہل اسلام بھی خوش ہوئے ہوں گے. نہ صرف یہ بلکہ ان کی تمام فیملی نے اسلام قبول کر لیا ہوا ہے, اور ماشاءاللہ ہم ان سے پوچھیں گے کہ انہوں نے اسلام کیسے قبول کیا, ان کو کس چیز نے متاثر کیا, اور اب ان کی لائف کیسی گزر رہی ہے, اسلام سے پہلے ان کی لائف کیسی تھی, ان کی فیملی کیسی ہے, ان کا چائنیز نام کیا ہے. تو یہ ساری چیزیں ہم نے ان سے پوچھنی ہے. تو سب سے پہلے میں اپنی میزبان کو, اپنی مہمان کو خوش آمدید کہتا ہوں. ویلکم ڈاکٹر فاطمہ. We welcome you from the platform of the Bahar Ablag, and thank you so much you come here in our office and you are giving us interview. First of all, I want to ask you, how did you accept Islam and what thing affect you and impress you?
Okay, first thanks for all the people, and thanks for the Maham invite me here. Thank you so much, and I'm very happy today here with you all in Bahar Ablag TV channel. I came to Pakistan 18 years ago, and I was a doctor in Peshawar. And at that time, the people was very nice and very kind to me, and they told me the Islam and the Muslim. From that time, I'm interested of the Islam. That's why I chose the Islam at that time. In 2006, I come to Islam. I'm a new person, but I love.
We welcome you to accept
much.
Islam. You are new Muslim, and you are doing service for the Islam. Thank you so much. What did you impress you that you should accept the Islam, and why you should accept Islam? Why there's a difference in your past religion and now Islam?
Okay. Actually, this is a very long story, but a very fantastic story. Yes, I hope everybody will be loved. I was not any religion. I was not any religion before China, even come to Pakistan. I don't believe anything. I just believe in science. I think everything made by science. Why made by somebody or something else? This is not possible. But why feel that thing? Then it shocked me. Now I tell you what. Some old people, some old men and old women, when I give them an injection, they always start pain, and they says, please can you please speak Bismillahirrahmanirrahim? I said, what?
What is
This-
Bismillah?
I said, what? This is something blah blah blah. They spoke a lot. I don't understand. I said, okay, for your satisfaction, for your happiness, I can speak, no problem. So I just spoke. I said Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then I give injection. They don't cry. They said no pain. I was shocked. I
What
said
is this?
I said those people make a drama.
What type of this science?
Yeah, I think the people make a drama. Yeah, I don't believe. Really, I don't believe.
Because you believe only at science that when there is some physical, then
Yeah, of course, physics. When you put the needle, everybody shocked and they're crying. Why they don't cry? And they just make me a fool, I think. Then I started speak in front of those people. After that, I said, let me try them. I tried it. Really I tried. Some people I speak, but I did not speak inside, just the move of my lips. I did not speak out. That is only fake speak. They think I'm speaking, but they cry. Some people I speak, but I did not move my lips. They don't cry. Oh, this is very, very surprised. I was thinking this is something.
there is
Then I start thinking about the Islam. I start thinking there is somebody. Really, I
you
start
start
thinking.
research on Islam.
Yes, I start thinking. Before I never think. I just do. I'm just like a machine.
Yeah.
Just do the work, do injection, give the medicine, just like the routine work,
Yes.
Just like I'm a machine, give the medicine to the people from the book, from a memory. Only this. I never think from my heart. But from that moment, I started thinking from my heart. This story since from 2006. From that time, then now, every of my Chinese friend or my Pakistani friend, whatever they are, any religion, they ask me why you come to Islam. I speak this story. You can ask everybody.
But why there's no system to read any religion in China and start in primary schools or in
No. Actually, in
schools?
China have many religions. Every religion available. But my home, we don't have any religion.
Why you would have not
This
any
is
religion?
the own choice. Nobody asks you. Nobody force you. Nobody requests you. They just show you what they are doing.
When you people born and there's no religion in house, home, our fathers
Yeah.
cannot force you to.
Nobody
Accept.
force you. Everybody are free.
Yes.
And my family, they accept me. They says, if you are happy, whatever the religion, you just keep it, no problem.
What was the religion of your family, mother, father?
My father has no religion, my brother no religion, my mother is Buddhist.
Oh, God, you gave the direction and you, mashallah, accept the Islam and you are
Yeah.
no Muslim.
Yeah.
Great. I hear that you can speak many languages and you also speak Urdu.
Something.
Chinese is also a mother language.
Yeah.
And I hear that you can speak Pashto also.
Yes. Thola.
تھوڑا صحیح تھا. فرسٹ آف آل ہم آپ سے تھوڑا سا اردو میں بات کرنا چاہیں گے کیونکہ ہمارے جو ناظرین ہیں, سب سے پہلے تو آپ ان کو ہمارا میسج دیں کہ آپ نے جو بحر ابلاغ ٹی وی چینل ہے ہمارا, اس کو سبسکرائب کرنا ہے, لائک کرنا ہے, شیئر کرنا ہے, اور تاکہ ہمارے سبسکرائبر بڑھیں اور ہم دیکھیں کتنے انٹرویوز کرتے ہیں اور لوگوں کو مختلف لوگوں سے ملاتے ہیں. اور ماشاءاللہ آپ بھی ہمارے لیے بہت ایک وہ ثابت ہوئی ہیں کہ آپ آئی ہیں اور ہم آپ کا انٹرویو کر رہے ہیں. آپ کے توسط سے بھی انشاءاللہ لوگ دیکھیں گے اور اسلام قبول کریں گے, اللہ تعالیٰ ان کو بھی ہدایت فرمائیں گے. تو آپ تھوڑا سا اردو میں آپ ہمارے سے بات کریں گے کہ جب آپ ادھر اس پاکستان میں آئیں 2003 میں, تو 3 سال تک آپ مطلب ویسے ہی اپنے پرانی سائنس پہ رہیں, آپ کو جو مطلب لگتا تھا کہ بس جو نظر آتا ہے اسی کو ایکسیپٹ کرنا ہے, باقی کوئی چیز نہیں ہے. کوئی خدا کا وجود نہیں ہے, مطلب نہیں پتہ چلتا تھا کہ ان چیزوں سے بھی کوئی اثرات پڑتے ہیں. ہم کہتے ہیں ہم جو کرتے ہیں وہی کچھ ہوتا ہے, باقی کوئی ہماری ہیلپ کرنے والا نہیں ہے, یہ غیبی امداد نہیں ہے. تو 2003 کے بعد 2006 میں جب آپ پشاور میں تھیں تو وہاں لوگ جب آپ انجیکشن لگاتی تھی تو ہر بندہ بسم اللہ پہلے پڑھتا تھا کہ تاکہ اس کو پین نہ ہو. تو ادھر سے اللہ تعالیٰ نے آپ کو ہدایت دی, تو تھوڑا سا اردو میں ذرا بتائیے گا.
اوکے, السلام علیکم. کیا
بحر ابلاغ ٹی وی چینل ہے, اور آپ ہمارے اس پلیٹ فارم سے ہمیں بتانا چاہ رہے ہیں کہ اب 2006 میں آپ نے اسلام کی طرف سوچنا شروع کیا, تو وہ کیسے
ہوا؟ Very difficult language. I can't speak as much. I just speak very few words.
چلو جتنا آپ بول سکتی ہیں, تھوڑا سمجھ تو ہمارے الفاظ سمجھ رہی ہیں,
میں کوشش کروں.
ہاں کوشش کر لیں, اللہ آگے پار لگائے گا.
اوکے اوکے. میں 2003 پاکستان آئیں گے, اور پہلے سے پشاور سے چائنیز ہاسپٹل, میں نے مریض اور ماما جی اور بابا جی وہ بولو پیٹا پیٹی بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم پہلے انجیکشن بولو. میں کہہ لیا کیوں, یہ کہہ لیے مجھے ہوکی گرنے آ گئی.
درد نہیں ہوتا ہے.
No, they are Pathan. This says ہوکی گرنے آئے, ہوکی گرنے نہ نازی, ہوکی گرنا نازی. میں کنفیوز, کیوں کیا بولے. آہستہ میں تھوڑا تھوڑا تھنک, کیوں
ذہن میں کچھ آنے لگا کہ کچھ ایسے جیسے
وہ زندگی something over there. میں آہستہ trace and check, found out it's real, something over there.
آپ ان کو چیک کر رہی تھی کہ ان سے کیا ہوتا ہے, آپ کے ذہن میں کچھ اور نہیں آیا کہ آپ کہیں سے اور رابطہ کریں, فرض کیا جو ہمارے علماء ہیں یا ان سے پوچھیں یا کسی اور ڈاکٹر سے پوچھیں, کسی سے آپ نے پوچھا کہ why they are asking Bismillah and they don't feel any pain?
I think after that, I think this is for belief. They have a strong belief. Then I also start thinking, if I have something in very strong belief, then I will be also not afraid of everything. From that time, I really start thinking, and I never feel afraid. I never fear.
Did you know what is belief before 2006 or
3? Before 2003.
Yes, you come here 2003, but before you accept Islam 2006. Before that, what do you believe about belief? What was your thinking about belief?
I just believe with the brain.
Only?
Yeah, I just believe with the brain. I said, if I have brain, I have my memory, okay, I'm okay.
Oh. The teacher taught you about this, that we are human man.
Yes, I just think thanks for the teacher, because they told me everything.
Only thing, yes. There is a brain and we think about, and everything is this.
Yeah.
And when you come here to Pakistan, then you start to thinking.
Yes.
There is some belief,
yes.
there is some...
Really, I come to Pakistan, I start thinking. I never think before. Before in China, I had working in the hospital. It is very rush time. Very much busy. Every day 8 hours duty. Very much busy. No time to thinking. Just work.
Chinese also like machine. They are doing only work.
Yes.
We Muslim believe
because
that
we just believe if we do work, we have things from our own hands. We have no need to do like this to the people. We can do like this to the people.
Yes, بالکل right. تو ابھی آپ اپنے آپ کو ظاہر کتنا خوش قسمت سمجھتی ہیں جب آپ نے اسلام قبول کیا, اس کے بعد اسلام پہ عمل پیرا ہیں. How much you consider yourself lucky after accepting Islam?
I feel after that I'm very lucky. I don't have any bad things happens to me. I never have bad dreams, and I never afraid of dark.
Yes.
I mean dark.
There's a
When
light.
the load shedding at that time,
Yeah.
first of all, I was very scared because in China we never have load shedding.
Yes, Pakistan is a.
But in Pakistan, 2003,
Yes, there's-
they, I think 2-3 years ago, everywhere load shedding.
Yes, there-
everywhere dark. Even cannot see the road. I was very scared. But after accepting Islam,
You are
I
not-
never afraid.
God is with us.
Yeah, I always think something is just around my head.
Yes, God
And
is
somebody stand here and here. They
Yes, they are the
protect
two-
me. Yes.
Yes.
I always believe this.
Yes, Munkar.
So I
Nakir.
never afraid anything.
Yes. Dr. Sahaba, thank you. We are going to take an interval. After that, we'll start and ask some other questions to you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
What
much.
do you want to say about our channel Bahre Ablaq to our audience?
I'm really very, very happy to come to this place in the media town and visit you in Bahre Ablaq.
Yes, Bahre
TV
Ablaq, the
yeah.
ocean of the communications.
Yes, I'm really very happy, and I want everybody of you subscribe
Yes.
subscribe to the channel of the Bahre Ablaq.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Share with your family and friends.